Alright, we're at the first spot. We're gonna go hit this bridge real quick. See if we can land the trout. Alright, my GoPro was not on. I just caught a brown trout, man. That just made my day right here. Just made my day. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful. It's a nice fish. Just cast, bro. He slammed it. There he goes, baby. Swam off beautifully. I don't even know. Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Smallie.
First smallie of the year, boys. I told you. I called it right there. GoPro was on. Nice little guy. Beautiful. We gotta cross this again. We've hiked a lot, only about 3 fish so far. Hopefully we'll get some more. Boys, there goes jangling. Jangling down. Fast water right here. It's gonna be tough. We've been walking for a little while now, walking and casting. No action yet. We haven't really found a good spot yet. We're just gonna keep moving. Try to find a deep pool. Hopefully we can get some trout and smallies in there. Walking to the car now. Gonna go grab some breakfast and hit up some LMBs. Alright, we're all rigged up. Got a little inline spinner, flip and crawl, a drop shot, and a swim jig. Let's see if we get these boys. I'm getting some. We just made it to the lake. We're all rigged up, got a bunch of things on.
Yeah, man.
Looking for some spawning bass to mess with them on their beds, then put them back. Alright, let's get it. Come on. Bass. Small. Get up here. LMB, baby. LMB. Heck yeah. Man, he ate that crawl very good. Set the hook on him and he was there. About 1.5 pound, 2 pounder. Yeah, look. And there he goes. Alright, I'm about to chuck this spinnerbait around. Pretty dope if I can get a muskie, you know. Somehow that happened. We did it. That's so deep, no joke. Oh, frick, that geese, dude. He's hissing at me, man. Okay, protect your babies. All right, we're good, we made it. Nothing's wet. Oh, my bag's a little wet, but that's fine.